Hi friends, thank you for coming back to the Kids Zone with Trishy. Today we're going to do a special story. Can you guess what it could be? Can you guess what the story is? I'm going to give you one clue. Look at our kitty cat. That's Nene. Nene. She's going under the Christmas tree. Can you guess? Yes, it's a story about cats. Ready? Are you ready to find out? You are? Okay, let's go. What are you doing? Are you trying to help me? Nene. Cute, crazy cat. 3 little kittens that lost their mittens.
Meow, meow, meow.
3 little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. What, lost your mittens, you naughty kittens? Then you shall have no pie. Meow, meow, you shall have no pie. 3 little kittens, they found their mittens and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found. What, found your mittens, you darling kittens? Then you shall have some pie. Meow, meow, you shall have some pie. Meow, meow, then you shall have some pie. Meow, meow, meow. 3 little kittens put on their mittens and soon ate up the pie. Oh, mother dear, we greatly fear our mittens we have soiled. What soiled your mittens, you naughty kittens? And they began to sigh. Meow, meow, then you shall have no pie. 3 little kittens, they washed their mittens and hung them out to dry. Oh, mother dear, look here, our mittens we have washed. What, washed your mittens? You're such good kittens. I smell a rat close by. Meow, meow, I smell a rat close by. Meow, meow, I smell a rat close by. Meow, 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 meow.